Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see about the 2.3 multiplication and division. Last class we already completed the equal grouping. Okay, va? We already completed equal grouping, no? Now, take page number 16, multiplication and division. Shall we go to the class, ma? Okay. Consider the division fact. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. This is a division fact. Okay, Vama? That is in 2 table. Okay. In 2 table, the number 8 comes 4 times. Okay, Va? For example, now I am writing 2 table here. See, ma? Here, see? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Okay, va? So, in 2 table, the number 8 comes how many times? 4 times. So, 4 is the answer. Okay, this is a division fact. Now, here giving see, Roja has 8 chocolate. How many chocolate, ma? 8 chocolate. Now, here giving see 8 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, she divides them. Divides them means Roja want to share. Okay, share this 8 chocolates among 2 of her friends. How many friends, ma? 2 friends. Okay, va? Totally 8 chocolates having, ma. She want to share among her with 2 friends. Okay, va? Now here asking question, see, how many chocolates would each friends get? Okay, totally 2 friends having. 2 friends means, shall we take F1, F2? Okay, va? The first friend name is F1, another friend name is F2. Okay, shall we imagine? Okay, the F1 and F2 get how many chocolate? That like here asking. Okay, va? Same like that. F1 we already learned, no? That like F1 for 1 chocolate, F2 for another 1 chocolate. Next, F1, F2. F1, F2. F1, F2. Just like you put it, ma. Okay, because each and every friends for give 1 chocolate. Okay, va? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, that like. Okay, now F1 get how many chocolates, ma? 1 2 3 4. How many chocolate? 4 chocolate. So F1 is formed one group. This is another one group. This is one group. This is one group. Totally how many group? 2 group. The 2 group is F1 and F2. Okay, va? So how many chocolates would get each friends get, ma? Yes, 1 2 3 4. F1 get 4 chocolate. F2 also get 4 chocolate. So put here 4. Understood, ma? Okay. This means 2 group of 4 makes 8. Okay, va? That is 2 group. F1 and F2, 2 group of 4. 4 means each and everyone get 4 chocolates, make 8. 8 means total number of chocolates, which can be write as the statement. Okay, the statement is also write as in this way. Okay, va? That is 2 4s are 8. 2 means total number of groups. 2 groups. 4 is each and everyone get how many chocolate? 4 chocolate, so 4. 8 is total number of chocolates. Okay, va? Here giving one statement. This is a 1 mark, ma. It means multiplication, and this is multiplication statement. Okay, and this is division fact. Okay, here giving both. See, this is multiplication and division. It means multiplication and division are reverse operation. Dash operation, reverse operation. Which like, ma? Here see, 2 4s are 8. Here this is multiplication, means which like we want to write the division? That is reverse. 4 2 4. This is also correct. 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. This is also correct. Both are correct, because one multiplication can gives 2 division fact. Okay va? We see below ma later that. Okay va? Multiplication and division are reverse operation. Okay va? Suppose here giving division fact 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. This like the question give it. We want to form the multiplication means same like that. Write the number reversely. 2 multiplication factor. So put multiplication symbol. 2 4 equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. Come it. Okay, that's all. Next look at the stated column. Multiplication fact. 2 5s are 10. Okay, here giving one multiplication 2 5s are 10. Here see ma. How many lines having ma? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 lines having so 5. 2 means in each line how many flowers are giving ma? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So totally 5 lines having in each and every line they are giving 2 flowers. So 5 2s are 10. 10 means very good. Total number of flowers. Count the flowers ma. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10. 5 lines in arranged in 2 flowers. Totally they are 10 flowers. This is a multiplication fact. Okay va? We want to form for this multiplication fact 2 division fact we want to make ma. That is division fact 1, division fact 2. 2 5s are 10 so reverse operation so 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. This is one division fact. Okay va? So another one division fact is 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. This is one division fact. This is one division fact. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. This is one division fact. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. This is another one division fact. Okay va? Just exchanging this 2 number. That's all ma. Okay va? Okay. Now here see ma. 10. 10 means total number of flowers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 flowers. Division fact. So put division symbol. 2 means in each and every line how many flowers are having ma? That is in here forming a group. This is one group. This is one group. This is one group. This is one and this is one group. Isn't it no? So in each and every group how many flowers having? 2 flowers having. So 2 equal to how many groups are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Totally how many groups ma? 5 groups. That is 10 flowers are arranged in 5 groups. Sorry, arranged in 5 groups. In each and every groups having 2 flowers. Okay va? Nothing ma. 10 flowers. We form a group 2 flowers. Totally 5 groups having. Okay va? Same like that. Same 10 flowers. But here forming the group 5 flowers. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. In each and every group how many flowers having? 5 flowers. How many groups are there? That means box. How many box? 1 2. So 2 groups. Understand? 10 flowers are arranged in 2 groups. In each and every groups they are having 5 flowers. So this is one division fact. This is one division fact. Okay va? Here giving the definitions for this multiplication and division fact ma. 5 groups of 2 flowers makes 10 flowers ma. Okay va? That means here. Okay va? 5 means total number of group. 2 is in each and every groups they are having 2 flowers. 10 is total number of flowers. This is a multiplication fact. Then 2 groups. Okay va? 2 groups of 5 flowers makes 10 flowers. 2 is total number of groups. Here group only number of group is only 2 ma. Okay va? Group in each and every group they are having how many flowers? 5 flowers equal to it gives total number of flowers is 10. Here see, I am already explained no that 10 flowers, okay, 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. 10 flowers can be put into 5 groups, okay. 5 groups of 2 flowers. Okay va? 10 groups can be putting into a 5 groups, each and every groups having 2 flowers. That is 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Same like that, 10 flowers can be put into 2 groups of 5 flowers. Total number of flowers is 10. Total number of group is 2. In each and every group they are having 5 flowers. That is 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Understood, Amma? Okay, now take the next page. Division fact for multiplication table 2. Finding the division fact for given multiplication fact. We want to find the division fact for the given multiplication tables. Okay, first here giving 2 table ma. Okay va? That is 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, up to 10 2s are 20. Okay va? In this 1 2 is 2, the first number in multiplication fact, the first number is called multiplier. Okay va? The first number is called multiplier. Okay, 1 2 is 2. In multiplication fact, the first number is called multiplier. Okay va? First number is called multiplier. The second number is called multiplicand. The last number, that is answer, is called product. Okay va? Multiplier, multiplicand, product. The first number multiplier, second number multiplicand, last answer is called product. Understand, Amma? Okay, now here look at the table ma. So we want to form the division fact for this line. Okay va? So first we write ma 2. First you write there 2 product. 2 2. Division fact, so put division symbol for both. Okay va? So next you write there multiplicand or multiplier both. Here see, 2 divided by 1, it gives 2. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. I already saying here no. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Same like that here. 2 divided by 1 equal to 2. This is 1. And second fact is 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Okay va? In division fact, the first number is called dividend. Okay va? The second number is called divisor. And the answer is called, 2 is called quotient. Okay va? In division fact, dividend, divisor, quotient. In multiplication, multiplier, multiplicand, product. This is quotient, this is product. Okay Vama, just exchanging the 2 numbers. Okay va? Next, 2 2s are 4. Same like that. The first number is called multiplier, multiplicand, product. First we want to write the product, that is 4 4. Then put division symbol. Then 4 divided by 2, it gives 2. Next, 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. In this line, the 2 fact are same because the multiplier and multiplicand having the same number 2 2. So the 2 division facts are same. Okay, 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Okay, in division fact, the first number is called quotient. First number is called dividend. The second number is called divisor. The last number is called quotient. Same like that ma. 3 2s are 6. Okay va? So first you write the last number, that is product. 6 6. Then put division symbol for both. Next you exchanging this 2 number. Okay va? 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Okay va? Next 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. For applying the same concept for all the line. Next 4 2s are 8. 8 divided by 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Next 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Same like that, 5 2s are 10. 10 divided by 5. Okay, 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Understand, Amma? Next, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. Understand? Next, 7 2s are 14. Multiplication fact. Then what is the division fact, ma? Same like that. 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. This is one. Another one is 14 divided by 2 equal to 7. Okay, ma? Next, 8 2s are 16. Division fact number 1 is 16 divided by 8 equal to 2. Second one is 16 divided by 2 equal to 8. Okay, va? Next, 9 2s are 18. 18 divided by 9 equal to 2. 18 divided by 9 equal to 2. Next, 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. Same like that. 10 2s are 20. 20 divided by 10 equal to 2. Next, 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. Understand, Amma? For the same concept, we want to apply it in third table. Okay, va? I am writing, see. First line, 1, 3 is 3. Same like that, I am already saying, no. The first number is called multiplier, multiplicand, product. Okay, va? Now we want to write the division fact. First write the product number. 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. Next number what, ma? 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. Okay, va? Same like that. 2 3s are 6. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Okay, va? Next, 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Nothing, ma, just exchanging this two number. 1 3. 3 1. 2 3 3 2. Same like that. Okay, va? Next, 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Next, here also 3. So 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Because here multiplicand and multiplier having the same number. Okay, va? Next, 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Next, 12 3s are, 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Okay, this is their answer, ma. Okay, va? Just like you want to write. Okay. Check your answers, ma. Up to 10 3s are 30, you want to write this division fact. Okay, next take page number 18. Now, same like that, here fourth table. Okay, va? Same process we apply here. Okay, va? 1 4 is 4. So, 4 divided by 1 equal to 4. Okay, va? 4 divided by 1. 4 divided by 1 equal to 4. The next one is 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. Next, 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Next, 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equal to 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Okay, va? Same like that you want to complete the fourth table. Okay, va ma? Now here writing C ma. Okay, va? Next 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Next dividend is 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Okay, va? Next 4 4s are 16. 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Next also same, because here multiplicand and multiplier both are same. So this also two divided division factor also same. For 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Next 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. Next 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Next 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. Okay va? Check your answers ma. Okay va? Next same like that fifth table. Okay va? 5 1 5 is 5 so 5 divided by 1, 5 divided by 1 equal to 5. Write the another number 5. This is one division fact. The another division fact is 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. Okay, well, next 2 5s are 10. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equal to 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Next 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Okay va? Applying the same process ma, write fifth table. Okay va? 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Okay va? Write yourself ma. After writing finishing the division fact, complete your answers. Okay. Okay ma, finished ma. Now check your answers. Okay. Okay va, write neatly. Okay va ma. Next same like that 10th table. Okay va. Apply the same and complete it. Okay va ma. This is your. Now same like that 10th table ma. 10 divided by 1 equal to 10. This is 1. Next one is 10 divided by 10 equal to 1. Same like that. I already saying here no. Same like you completed the 10th table. Okay. Check your answers ma. Okay va. Finished ta. Write neatly ma. Next. Okay. Division fact of 10th table completed means next find the quotient of the following. Okay, first question, quotient means nothing ma. In division fact the answer is called quotient. Okay va? First one 12 divided by 4 equal to dash. I already saying here no. In chocolate sum 8 divided by 2 equal to dash. That is that means 2 is called table ma. 2 is a table. We are applying 2 table. In 2 table the 8 come how many times? In 2 table the number 8 comes 4 times. Same like that we want to find out here. 12 divided by 4 equal to dash means which table? 4th table. In 4th table the number 12 come how many times? Here giving see 4th table. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So in 4th table 12 come how many times? 3 times. So 3 is the quotient. Okay va? 3 times 4 is 12. That is 3 4s are 12. Okay va? This is a multiplication fact. Hence 12 divided by 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. This is one division fact ma. 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. And another division fact is the question 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Okay mama, next this is no need, you just write the answer. Okay va? Next 25 divided by 5. Now here we use which table? Fifth table. So say the fifth table up to the number 25. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So 25 come it. So in fifth table 5 come how many times? 5 times. So 5 is the answer. 5 times 5 is 25. That is 5 5s are 25. Hence 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. Understood amma? Next exercise. Divide and find the quotient. First sum 20 divided by 4 equal to dash. Now here which table? Fourth table. Say the fourth table up to the number 20 comes. Okay va? Here it's having a 20 divided by 4. So in fourth table 20 come how many times? 5 times. Very good. So 5 is the answer. Okay va? That is 4 5s are 20. Next 20 divided by 2 equal to 5. So here which table ma? 2 table. So in 2 table 10 comes how many times? In 2 table 10 come how many times ma? 5 times. 5 2s are 10 na? So 5 is the answer. Okay, next 24 divided by 3 equal to dash. So here we use 3 table. In 3 table 24 comes how many times? Take the 3 table. 24 come in 3 table. 24 comes how many times? Very good, 8 times. So 8 is the answer. Okay, next sum 10 divided by 10. So in 10 table the number 10 come how many times? In 10 table the number 10 comes 1 time. So 1 is the answer. Next 30 divided by 5. Here fifth table. Okay va? Fifth table the number 30 comes how many times ma? Fifth table 30 comes how many times? 6 times. Now last question, you itself say the answer ma. 14 divided by 2 equal to dash. Now here which table? Very good, 2 table. So in 2 table the number 14 come how many times? Very good, 7 times. 7 2s are 14 ah? Okay. Okay ma? Up to this your unit is over. The second we are completed our second unit. Next class we started the new unit patterns. Okay va? Now in this class your homework is complete the book exercise, that is division fact, find the quotients. Okay, division facts and this, that is page number 16, 17, 18, 19. This is your homework ma. If you have any doubt in division fact, okay va, tell me, I will explain in your next class. Okay va? Thank you ma.